program here at AII follows the CEFR for languages and is the international standard for describing language ability. For students to graduate on the General English program, they have to pass the TOEFL examination. The TOEFL examination is a world-recognized qualification which enables students the opportunity to not only study abroad but also to live abroad as well. The GEP program is extremely comprehensive and focuses on all of the key components of the English language, including reading, speaking, listening, writing, grammar, and vocabulary. We also offer a wide range of extracurricular activities. For example, students are able to participate in writing clubs, debate clubs as well. We also have many competitions here at AII, such as pronunciation contests and spelling bee contests also. This again enables students to enhance their usage and confidence of the English language.